In this video, we're going to take you through our process to remanufacture standard-sized office desks into custom-sized desks for home workers. From our stock of reusable desks, we'll select the tops, legs and modesty panels that will be used to complete the order. For this particular order, and as you can see, the tops have already been cut square, but if necessary, this will be the first step. Once the top is selected, it will be measured up based on the dimensions provided by the client. In this case, they've requested a 1 meter by 80 centimeter desk. The top is cut to size and the offcut is set aside for later use. In order to be able to fit the remanufactured top to the legs, we use one of our standard templates to mark the new leg fixing positions. In this instance, the top will be held on using cam and dowel fixings, and so the top is drilled out to the required depth and the reused dowel fixings are inserted. Finally, the reused cam dowels are fitted to ensure the correct placement and alignment. In order to make sure the legs are positioned correctly and that the final desk will be stable, the modesty panel will also need to be cut to size. As part of this process, we remove any fixtures and fittings so they can be reused later, either with this desk or on another remanufacturing project. As with the top, we use one of our standard templates to get the sizing right and to ensure that the fittings are replaced in the correct place. The cam fixing holes are then drilled out, along with the holes for the dowels, and the cam fixings that were removed in the previous step are reinserted into the remanufactured modesty panel. The offcut of the top that was set aside earlier is now used to provide the edging strip that is missing from the modified top. The edge strip is removed and cleaned up so that it will now fix on neatly and with no visible gaps between it and the top. A high quality impact adhesive is then applied to the top and the edge strip, which is refitted and secured in place. It will then be left to dry for at least 24 hours. Once the glue is dried and the new edge has been quality checked, the desk is built up to ensure that all fixtures and fittings are aligned. We ensure that there is no requirement for special tools to rebuild the desk, as some people want the ability to build it themselves. After a final quality check and clean to remove any residual dirt and dust from the remanufacturing process, both cable ports are refitted and the desk is added into the rest of the order, ready for delivery to the client.